What's up, folks? Spartan-EDS-Warrior here. We're back at the top of Waterrock Knob. Last time we came up here, it was very cloudy and it was dark. Fog was rolling in. And this is the way to the top of Waterrock Knob. But when I was trying to take us to an airplane crash, and here is the trail to the airplane crash. So as soon as you get right here, because right over that little hump is the top of Waterrock Knob, right here is the trail to the airplane crash. We're gonna take it, so y'all stay tuned and stay with us. There we are at the top, almost there. Look way over there, that's the parking lot from Waterrock Knob. So we're about a half a mile in, and we're gonna keep it going. We gotta get to this whole foresty looking area. So stay tuned. Alright, so no plane so far. We followed this trail all the way to the next mountain, and we popped out by this little cabin here. So now we're gonna follow this road and see where it leads us. Alright guys, we're at the top of one of the peaks. Where we came from was right on the other side of that ridge line, on the other side of that mountain. When we walked all the way through the woods, there's a cabin right below us, a little tool shed, a little picnic area, and we ended up finding this little contraption. A little lookout. Got Maggie Valley, North Carolina. Matter of fact, you see Ghost Town right on top of that mountain. It's a little amusement park. It's supposed to be reopening. And we got Boston Mountain stuff over there. But no sign of an airplane yet. We may have missed our trail. But if I'm not mistaken, this one's going to lead us to a cross. So we're still on the lookout. Stay tuned. Alright guys. So we missed our turn somewhere back there to go to the plane crash. But we did find this cross. Beyond these trees you have Maggie Valley. So now we're going to take a break and try to backtrack. But there you have Waynesville right down there. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. What you got? There's Ghost Town on top of the mountain over there, but down there that's Maggie Valley. So, but at night, at certain places, you can see this cross light up. There goes the storyline of the name. But there you go, guys. Alright guys, we made a mistake, ended up getting off the trail after we finally crossed to follow the road. So we've been walking for a minute, but we did find some water. Alright, we're going to take and use this life straw. We'll go ahead and break it in. Alright guys, we just got done coming through all that right there. My son's side was hurting him, so instead of taking the trail back, we went to the woods, and this is where we popped out at Woodfin Valley View. That way ahead made a call, so we're waiting on our extraction now. They get us back up to our truck. Y'all have a good day, and we'll try to relocate that airplane. Stay tuned.